Ever fantasized about making money while you're snoozing? Imagine closing your eyes at night and waking up richer. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, buckle up. The age of artificial intelligence, or AI, is turning this dream into a potential reality for the masses. AI technology is revolutionizing the way we think about earning money. Gone are the days when income generation strictly required active involvement. Now machines can work for us, even when we're off the clock. This shift is not just promising, it's already happening. Imagine the possibilities. While you catch up on your beauty sleep, AI could be out there making strategic moves and generating income on your behalf. Excited yet? Keep reading to discover how AI can make this fantasy a tangible reality for you. When we talk about AI passive income, what exactly do we mean? Simply put, it's income generated with minimal active effort from the individual, thanks to the smart work of AI technologies. From content creation to smart investments, AI is here to manage the heavy lifting. For a clearer picture, think of AI as your tireless, super efficient assistant. It doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and most importantly, it learns from its actions to improve results over time. This means that your passive income streams managed by AI could potentially grow smarter and more profitable as they mature. This concept is catching fire globally as more entrepreneurs and businesses realize the immense potential. Leveraging AI, you could tap into income streams that were previously unimaginable, or simply too resource-intensive to consider. Content creation has been revolutionized by AI. Tools like automated writing assistants can draft articles, generate creative content, or even whip up an entire novel, all with a bit of initial input and oversight. The magic? These tools learn your style and improve over time. Then, there's the world of AI-driven trading bots. These sophisticated programs analyze market data in real time, making trades based on algorithms designed to maximize profit. They operate 24/7, which means the market never sleeps, and neither does your potential for earning. Lastly, consider AI recommendation engines. These systems learn user preferences to suggest products, which not only improves user experience but also boosts sales, passively increasing revenue for businesses. This is AI making money from knowing what customers might want before they know it themselves. Let's talk about Jack, a freelance photographer who employed an AI to manage his online sales. The AI analyzed trends and adjusted prices dynamically, doubling his income in 6 months. Jack now spends more time shooting photos and less worrying about sales strategies. Then there's Sophia, who used an AI legal advisor to create personalized, legally binding contracts for her consultancy business. This not only saved her thousands in legal fees, but also allowed her to expand her business globally with confidence, leveraging AI for legal compliance checks. And we can't forget the small-town bakery that tripled its outreach after an AI system analyzed local buying habits and optimized its marketing campaigns. The AI's suggestions were so spot on that the bakery became a local hotspot without spending an extra dime on traditional advertising. Imagine handing over your financial reins to an AI. Scary? Maybe a bit, but it's becoming increasingly common as AI proves its worth in managing budgets, investments, and even debt repayment plans more efficiently than many human advisors. AI financial advisors can analyze vast amounts of data quickly to identify the best investment opportunities or the optimal time to buy or sell assets. They don't let emotions cloud their judgment, which means decisions are based purely on data and predictive analytics. So, could an AI be better at managing your money than you? For many, the answer is becoming a resounding yes, as these digital advisors demonstrate their ability to maximize returns and minimize risks, all without breaking a sweat. Hold on to your hats! Experts predict that AI-driven passive income opportunities will grow by a staggering 50% in the next 5 years. This isn't just a trend, it's a financial revolution that's gaining momentum rapidly across various sectors. This growth is not confined to high-tech industries alone. Traditional fields such as agriculture, education, and healthcare are also beginning to harness AI for passive income generation, redefining roles and revenue streams across the board. The implications are huge. Not only could AI significantly increase individual wealth, but it could also play a pivotal role in economic growth worldwide. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. The rise of AI in creating passive income is not just about making more money, it's about reshaping our relationship with work and income. This shift allows individuals to focus more on what they love, pursue passions, or even create more free time to spend with loved ones. AI is opening doors to financial freedom and stability that were previously closed to the average person. With AI handling the complexities of income generation, the barriers to entry for many lucrative markets are lowering, making wealth creation more accessible to everyone. Ultimately, the transformative power of AI lies in its ability to democratize opportunities and redistribute the landscape of wealth. It's not just about working harder but smarter, with a little help from our AI friends. As we've explored, AI is not just a tool of the future, it's a dynamic part of our present, reshaping how we generate income and manage our financial lives. From automating mundane tasks to executing complex financial strategies, AI is enhancing our ability to create wealth passively. Embracing this technology doesn't mean abandoning the human touch. It means enhancing our capabilities and freeing ourselves to focus on creative and strategic pursuits. The AI revolution in passive income is here, and it's time to take advantage. Curious about making AI work for you? Now's the time to dig deeper. Start by educating yourself about AI tools and technologies. Experiment with AI-driven apps or consult with AI financial advisors. The possibilities are endless, and the time to act is now. Attend seminars, read books, or join online forums dedicated to AI and finance. Engage with experts and like-minded individuals who are also exploring this exciting frontier. Remember, the journey to AI-enhanced passive income starts with a single step. Don't just dream about financial freedom, reach out and grab it. Let AI be your guide in this thrilling new era of passive income. Who knows, you might just find yourself earning in your sleep sooner than you think.